So this is how I went from this to this. So hi guys, welcome back to our channel The New Girl World. In this video, I'll share how I cleared my body acne. So earlier I used to wear clothes with a high neckline because I felt ashamed of wearing the deep neck outfit due to my acne marks. They were so dark that people even asked me if I had burnt my skin or something. And just to avoid such questions, I used to cover up with full neck clothes. But I worked on it literally day and night. So here is what I did to clear my acne marks and stop them from coming back. So every night I used to apply aloe vera gel and leave it overnight. In the morning I would wash it off with a cold water. Twice or thrice a week I applied fresh natural aloe vera directly on my skin and kept it for at least 30 minutes. Yes, it feels itchy, but trust me guys, it works wonders for my acne. I stopped believing that any soap could clear acne marks. It is a big no. I never used any special soap. Sometimes I used to rub eyes on that area. It helps calm the skin. And that's it. These are the only things I followed, and slowly I overcome the fear I had about my skin. So there was a tube recommended by a dermatologist, and that was a benzoyl peroxide. But honestly, I was not consistent with that. The only thing that really worked for me was all these home remedies. Consistency is more important than perfection. Small steps every day leads to big changes. Trust me guys, it took me around 1.5 years to get rid of the marks, but every bit of effort was worth it. Today I can wear what I want to without fear or shame. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll try my best to help you all. Thank you. Bye bye.